Hello everyone, this is Normal here for Technique, and in this video we're going to test out the gaming performance of the ASUS Zenfone 3S Max. So the Zenfone 3S Max is the latest variant of the Zenfone Max series. So we have already covered the Zenfone 3 Max. There are two variants, and this is a new variant. The 3S Max comes with a massive 5000 mAh battery, and the specs remain the same, almost similar to the Zenfone 3 Max, the base variant. This has 5.2-inch HD display. It's powered by the MediaTek MT6750 octa-core chipset, coupled with 3 gigs of RAM and 32 gigs of storage. So let's get started with the gaming performance test on the ASUS Zenfone 3S Max. So we'll play 3 games: Asphalt 8 Airborne, Modern Combat 5 and Nova 3, and we'll also see if this device heats up while gaming, and we'll also measure the temperature recorded by this device after gaming, and we'll also analyze the performance of this device with heavy graphic rich games. So without any further delay, let's get started with Asphalt 8 Airborne. So we could see some frame skips here and there. Other than that, it's quite a decent experience right now. No major lags we are noticing, but frame skips did happen. It's not a really powerful chipset in this price segment. The MediaTek 6750 is kind of an average chipset, not as powerful like the Snapdragon 625 or the 650, which are available in this price segment. So now we are done with 3 rounds of Asphalt 8. Let's see the temperature. So it's well below 40 degrees. So it's 39.9. So that's the maximum we are getting. So there's not much of heating. 40 degrees is what we are getting maximum after 3 rounds of Asphalt 8. And let's see the display. So display is slightly on the higher side at 41.2 or 42. We are also getting on the display. Close to 42.8 on the display. 42.9. So we are getting here 43 as well. So display is slightly warmer than the rear panel, which is at 40 degrees. So display is 43 degrees. Now let's go to Modern Combat. So here you can see a lot of frame skips happening. Slight delay with the response time, so it's not a very great gaming experience with Modern Combat. You would see a lot of frame skips happening. So there again you will see some frame skips. So now we are done with modern combat, and let's see the temperature. So again 42 degrees on the display, 43. So it's 43 degrees on the display, and let's see on the rear panel, it's again close to 40 degrees on the rear panel. So that's the maximum we're getting right now. Now let's play Nova 3. So we're not done with the gaming test, and I could see the temperature is 40 degrees on the rear panel. That's that's the maximum we got, and on the display we're getting close to 43 degrees. So that's the maximum we're getting. So not much of heating, but definitely there is some device getting warm. You can actually experience on the display, but not a major heating issue. Now talking about the gaming experience of this device, so with the MediaTek MT6750, the initial gaming experience with Asphalt 8 was quite good. There was some frame skips, but overall experience was quite good. But then when it came to Modern Combat 5, we could see frame skips were more or less evident, and it was not really the best experience. But Nova 3 played pretty well on this device. So overall it's quite an above average device for gaming. So the best aspect about this device is the massive 5000 mAh battery. That means you can play games for a longer time, and this is a smaller display. It's a 5.2 inch display, and it's not a full HD display, it's an HD display, but the color quality of the display looks really vibrant, and it's also 2.5D curved glass, so it overall gives a good feel with gaming. But the performance is kind of above average on the ASUS Zenfone 3S Max, and definitely it's not the best performer because MediaTek 6750 is not a kind of chipset which is really powerful. But it has 3 gigs of RAM and 32 gigs of storage. So that is the gaming performance test of the ASUS Zenfone 3S Max. Along with that, we also showed the device temperature after gaming for almost close to 30 minutes. So that's all guys, thanks for watching, hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.